Welcome back. So here is our final formatted report of our project website performance analysis. So as you can see, I have done a certain changes in this report and its navigation as well. So you have already noticed that the buttons in the left side up here, I have removed those and I've just kept it plain simple next button right on the top right side of this particular page. So there is just one button to go to the next page, and also one button I've put up here for the QA. This button is to ask questions from our data using Power BI's QA feature. So when I'll click here, a pop-up will open from which we can ask questions from our data by typing simple queries right in English, and we will be getting visuals graphs as per our needs. So that's pretty easy and a really good feature to have in our report. Then I have done the formatting up here, just put up a plain simple neat title on the top. You can go to the next page just simply by clicking here. Now you can see there are two buttons to go from left and right. We have the filter set up here, some cards here, and all of those particular visuals which we have used, just simple, neat and clean. All right, same QA button is up here as well, and when I'll click the next, I will be taken to the third page. So I have updated the third page as well. Now you can see I put up a button here. So when I'll click here on the pulse chart, I will be getting a pulse chart which will be a line chart which I can play using the play buttons. And when I'll click on bar, I will be given a bar chart. So that's a pretty good visual to use here using the bookmarking feature. And same things here as well to go back to the previous page and using the QA button as well. So this is how you can format your report in a plain simple way to make it look more professional. One more thing to tell you here is, let me just jump back to my very first page. Now as you can see in the bottom, only one tab here is shown, which is social media. All the rest tabs are hidden. So I've hidden the other tabs because we have created the navigation buttons right here on the top, so we don't really need to use those particular tabs. So one tab will be shown here, and the navigation from these next and previous buttons will take us to our next tabs of our report. So in this way you can make it much more, give like an app like experience right in the report only, and filter is as per your needs using the bookmarking features, and the QA feature is used as well to give you quick insights by asking your data from your questions. So that was all about our project. I will be putting up this Power BI file in the video in the section so that you can see how I've edited, how I've used the bookmarking and the QA feature, so you can see that and practice on your own. I hope you have enjoyed so far. So keep on learning and we'll meet in the next lecture.